Hi guys. This is the third time I've had to record and I had to stop recording and re-record because I keep messing up. I keep accidentally cussing, but I want to shout out to my best friend, Beta. Hi, Beta. I miss you, Beta. Are we gonna have a sleepover sometime? I know you probably can't respond, but yeah, if you're watching this, shout out to Vera. But today we're gonna play Help Me Hammer Troll Tower. Now I think I theorize that this is a cry for help from the developers. Shout out to them. But it's called. Wait, no, I've already said the title. But yeah, it says help me. It says help 3 times. And probably more times. Save us. And probably 666. I don't know. But yeah. Let's go in and hopefully I don't start cussing again. Because I don't want to restart this whole thing like I had to do last time. Yeah. Okay. Now the cry for help. Okay, I don't know what this. Getting creepy. Put on. Boop, 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 boop. Wait, what? Wait. Whoops. Oh. What's the guy saying? Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay positive. Oh. But yeah, from what I saw, I've already played this game, but I haven't went for the. I haven't played the whole tower, but I played some. But I kind of left because it was creepy. But yeah, let's go. No, I'm scared. No. And here's this. I don't want to decline. I don't want to see what happens. I don't want to see what happens if I accept. I already saw what happens, but it's kind of scary, not gonna lie. So warning for loud noises. I'm about to do it. My ears. I'm scared. Oh no, it's deathly quiet. He is protecting you. Oh, that's a lot of words. No, I'm scared. Should I go in? I don't want to go in, but I kind of have to. So, no, I'm scared. I don't like how silent it. Is that blood? Is that blood or kill brick? I wish I could cuss right now, but I can't because YouTube might demonetize me. No. Oh, there's the Morse code. Can someone translate that? No, I'm going back. No. No, this is creepy. No. I'll check that out later. But not right now. I'm gonna focus on trying to find more secrets. More juicy secrets. Because yes, give me the secrets. There's missing posters all around. Well, not all around, but kind of around. And then there's this. 404? I don't know what that means. Probably like the 404 error code? I don't know. Player name creator? Okay, weird. No! This might take a long time. Time that I don't want to use. Because I want to get this video done as soon as possible. Wait, I'm wondering if these are all bots. And, no, they don't look like bots. If they appear in the thing, I think. Invisible thing? Oh yeah, that guy's probably a bot. You know what? I'm going back. Okay. I wanna see what where am I getting where am I? Should I go back? Where did I die? Did I walk off the mob? Okay. Beta, if you're still watching this, I'm sorry. I might have just gave you nightmares by what you just saw. But don't blame me, blame the game. Because it's not really my fault. It's the game's fault. But I did give you a warning. Well, I give you a loud warning, but that was when I was about to, go in and accept. But, no! Oh, wait. Yeah, hold on. Wait. What's this button? I can draw! I can draw? That's cool. Whoa, that was dramatic. Oh, bitch. Whoops. Pretend I didn't say that. Oh, I don't want to get demonetized. I'll just list this as, for adults. Smart. If I do that, I can cuss all I want, but I'm not gonna cuss. Just to be safe. Minus what you just heard. Because, it was an accident. I'm too used to it. I'm sorry. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. Please. Would you please? Okay, now. No, this is the hard part. Well, the hard part's trying to not scream or cuss in front of the camera, because yeah, I'm recording, screen recording. Yeah, it's kind of weird if you think about it. I'm just talking here to my phone, and then I just stop the recording, post it. And then
most people will never understand, but we do.
like get oh, it's right here. Oh yeah, I forgot it was right here. So we didn't have to do all that stuff. I almost looked up. No, that just annoys me. I completely forgot about that, and now I'm just mad. You know what? I'm gonna stop being a scaredy cat, and I'm gonna accept it. Another warning, loud warning. But what is that symbol? I don't know if I can show that. But I don't have an editor, and I don't know how to edit, so I probably can't blur that. Oops. No, I gotta run. No, they're coming for me. I'm a big fat shovel. Oh yeah. Should I accept? But yeah, I don't know what this says except for decline and accept. Should I accept? No. Oh, yes. Oh no, it's deadly silence again. You forgive me if I cough. No. God warning if there is any. I'm scared. Well, okay, that's all, guys. Hopefully I don't lose this footage. Okay, so bye-bye. I'm gonna leave this game because it gave me the heebie-jeebies a lot. But yeah. Beta! Oh wait, no. Beta! Yeah. Let's make a tradition. Tradition. Every time I go on here to record a video about a game, and Beta's online, or I see Beta, we have to like shout her out to make sure she's watching. Oh, sorry. But yeah, Beta. Shout out to Beta. But yeah, bye. Bye. Okay, bye.